everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to bring you a cleaning video. It's not a full kitchen clean, but we are going to clean in our refrigerator, and then I'm going to do one of the drawers in my kitchen. We have done the baking drawer, but now we're going to do the drawer that holds all of the utensils. Now I know the big thing now is Marie Kondo, and I'm not Marie Kondoing because I love my things, but I am doing Fly Lady, and I have done Fly Lady. So I'm just going to spend a few minutes getting everything back to zero. One of the ladies that I watch on YouTube, and I love her, is Sophia from My Great Challenge. And one of the things she talks about is getting back to zero. That's like ground level, starting over. Because of the schedule that I keep, I am not able to do full-fledged, all-out cleans every week, but we do keep our house fairly kept up. But I'm missing some of those little deep clean pieces. So I'm going to take some things out of the fridge. I'm actually going to get some bleach out because I really do like bleach, and I think it sanitizes. We're right in the middle of flu season, so I just want to make sure that I sanitize everything in my refrigerator. I'm going to wipe down my countertops, and then I'm going to tackle that one drawer. And we thought we'd bring you along for this "We're Cleaning Out the Fridge" video. Alrighty, you guys, so we are done with the refrige, and I will probably tell you for the first time in over a year, I'm probably as happy with it as I have ever been. We took all the glass out, we took all the bins out, we wiped down everything, totally washed all of the glass. The drawer that went here was broken. I had broken this track. It had gotten jammed, and I was trying to fix it with these zip ties, but it didn't do, it held for quite a while, but right now it's just broken. Until I get this piece replaced, I just got another one of these baskets, and it slides out just fine with no problem. It wasn't temperature controlled anyway. And then we just have another snack basket here that has been there for a long while. So this top shelf, I'm trying to just keep that for things we need to use up so it doesn't get lost. Most stuff gets lost down here and the kids don't remember we have things to eat. So I'm trying to make sure that I keep everything that is leftovers on this top shelf so they can eat it. The next shelf here is just snacks or like sandwich foods. Then down here we have our eggs. Then we have, I bought that soda basket. I usually just have some canned seltzer. And then I got the some juice and almond milk. And then down here in my cool drawers, I just have spinach, zucchini, cucumbers, and slaw. And then here I have the bacon crumbles, some slivered almonds, and some blackberries, I'm sorry. And then over here, we totally have decluttered this because the door was driving me insane. So we have our butter and cream cheese, then any of the cooking things, salsa, ragu, pepperoncinis, sour cream, and then here's where I keep coffee stuffs, and of course we have some lemon juice. We're just putting our bacon grease right there because it will fit. And then down here we have a few bottled waters and all the rest of the condiments that we have. So that is what we have in the refrige. We're going to do the drawer tomorrow. It is late. It's 8:56 and I still have to edit videos. We got the floor swept. So it is late here, but we are going to call it a video. So we always hope that we inspire you and motivate you to get something done in your home. That took a little bit longer than we would have liked or that I planned for, but I wanted to make sure that I cleaned everything. It is flu season. I wanted to give everything a deep clean, especially in my fridge. We spend a lot of time in and out of there, and I wanted to do that. So the next thing or the last thing we're going to do is we're just going to wipe our counters down. I've got some chicken stock going in the crock pot. I'm going to edit videos, and we're going to call it a day. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, thumb it up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.